Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at this true HEPA filter. We're going to go ahead and unbox this, show you guys everything you get. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's the manual that they give you. Before you plug it in and do anything, make sure you take off the tape that they have on here. So just go ahead and peel all of this off. This gives you access to the filter bay, and you want to take this plastic piece off the filter. Make sure you pull this plastic off completely. Now you might wonder, how do you put it back in? Do you put the white in? So this black part always faces outward. So this black part will face the holes, just like that. Because at least that's how they had it. So that's how they put the filter in. So we put it right back the way that they had it. And we place that there. So as you guys can see here, it pulls in air here and it blows air out the top. All of your controls are going to be on the top here. So they're all right on here. I would say you get plenty of cable length, which is really nice. A lot of them don't give you much cable length. Now we take a look here. Oh, look at that. You can press the power. Oh, I love the light. You can turn on the UV light. Mode number 2. And that really pulls in air. And you can have it for automatic. You can have sleep mode with UV on. So a couple options here. When you're placing this unit, make sure you place this facing outward. You don't want this part against the wall. And I recommend just setting it at automatic. Automatic will adjust the fan speed and the suction based off of the quality of air that it's pulling through. Overall, it's a perfect size. It's got enough power to do a small to medium sized room. So I'm very happy with this.